French, coming at you with another video. It's been a while since I worked on the rear axle to my Suzuki Samurai. So let's go over here, see what we got going on. Okay, here we got my rear axle. Pretty much ready for assembly. I went ahead and blasted both of these parts. Finally got this axle painted. I got the third member painted, but I'm going to have to drill into that so I can get the air hose connected to it so I can get this air locker working properly. I got the reinforced axles for this rear axle. Over here I finally finished the armor that I said I was going to put on this rear axle. There's probably a lot of people out there wondering why I made something for armor instead of just welding on the axle itself. This is my first time working on one of these, and this right here is really thin. So I figured, let me try this, and if this doesn't work out, I could always come back later, since I got a couple of other axles in the backyard, and I could go ahead and weld on those to reinforce another axle. And not only that, I'm probably planning on doing something else, not for this Samurai that I'm driving, my daily driver, but for the one that's under the tarp. I'm thinking about probably doing different axles, but we're not going to mess with this today. I've been wanting to make something for my Suzuki Samurai since I got it a long time ago. Eventually, I'm going to get back to this rear axle, put it back together, and install it into my daily driver. But in the meantime, I'm going to take a detour and make something for my Suzuki Samurai while I'm piecing these parts back together into this rear axle. So follow me over here and let's see what I'm going to make for my Suzuki Samurai.